Hi, Matt here with Ambir Technology. Today we're going to be going over how to calibrate your scanner. This is for sheetfed scanners, so our kind of smaller card and document scanners that are USB powered. So if you've got like an ADF scanner or one of our bigger multi-page scanners, there's going to be a different set of instructions. So this is just for Ambir sheetfed scanners. The scanners all come with typically a calibration sheet. So it's like a black and white sheet with some arrows on it, a little bit bigger for the document card scanners, a little bit smaller for just the card scanners. If you've lost this calibration sheet, you can use a blank white sheet of paper folded in half for our card scanners, or a 8.5 by 11 blank white sheet of paper for our card and document scanners, like the 490 or Travel Scan Pro. For best quality, it is recommended that you actually use the calibration sheets that came with the scanners, and if you wanted to purchase those, they can be found on the consumable page of our website associated with your scanner model. Now, getting to the actual calibration, if you have Ambir Scan, it's recommended that you use Ambir Scan. So we're going to go into the settings section of Ambir Scan, and there's this calibrate button here. We're just going to click on that, pop in that calibration sheet into the scanner, then hit calibrate. It's going to go through. It takes about a minute. Depending on the scanner. So sometimes it'll take a little bit longer, sometimes it'll take less, but this will improve the quality of your scanner. Typically, you want to calibrate if you're starting to get some streaks on your scanner, colors aren't quite right. Really, it's kind of recommended once every 3 to 6 months, depending on the device. Some newer devices can go years without needing to be calibrated. As they get older, they typically need to be calibrated more and more. Like once it's over 5 years, sometimes the device needs to be calibrated more and more as it ages. Okay, so calibration's done. I'm going to click OK, and we're up and running. The other way to calibrate, if you don't have the Ambir Scan software installed and you use the scanner through a third-party application, if you're used to using it via the Twain source, so if I go acquire here and you see this screen ever, so this is the Twain driver interface for the scanner. There's a calibrate button down here. So pretty much the same thing. You just kind of pop in that calibration sheet or the blank white sheet of paper, hit calibrate again, and then it'll go through, kind of go back and forth. And once that's done, the scanner's calibrated and you're good to go. So those are kind of the two recommended ways to calibrate, either through Ambir Scan or through the Twain driver. If you have any questions or need any help, or the calibration keeps failing, feel free to contact our support department. All right, have a great rest of your day.